can insert watermark into your worksheet. So this is not the final worksheet, so before share with others, you just need to make it draft. So to add draft watermark to this Excel worksheet, you first need to select insert menu. There you can see the text next to your right pane. So drop down the text, then there you can see header and footer. So your worksheet changed to this layout. So with that you can see header and footer tab. So if you select any other place, that header and footer change is not there. So to get that, you first need to select this center or left. Then you can see the header and footer field is there. So if you need to select the picture insert to this worksheet, you only need to select this header and footer, then select picture. So I have my inbuilt draft picture, so I'm going to add that. If you need to type the draft without creating the picture like this, you can type here draft. So I'm going to add as a picture. So to get that, you can create this draft whatever using the Word or using any other tool. Likewise, you can add the draft. So if you need to make it little bit down, you can press enter next to your end position like this. So little bit you can change to move it down like this. So if you need to change this draft into picture the same way, you can click again picture, then it will ask you need to add replace the same as it is. So select replace. Then I'm going to add a picture. So inside my picture, I'm going to add this kind of picture. Let's see how the layout. Now this is the color picture. If you need to wash out the same way, you can select format picture in the same position. Select picture. In the image control, you can change it to wash out or grayscale or whatever. So I'm going to select wash out, then select OK. Likewise, you can make it wash out. Or let's say if you need to change the scale position, same way select format picture. I'm going to reduce this to 30%. Your scale is and width same way 30%, and make it OK. This is how the picture appearing. Now when you select file and print, you can see the picture like this. If you need to make it somewhere down, like I mentioned earlier, you can press enter and you can keep it down. So this is how you can insert the picture or the word into this position. If you need to remove this, you can straight away click erase and you can erase. Right. So if you need to type like this draft, and there you can make it bold and you can increase the font size like this, right? This is another way that you can insert the draft, right? Header and footer. So make it somewhere down like this, you can enter. So this is how you can create watermark in the worksheet. So let's try to practice this, and we will meet you with a new tutorial.